Hey guys, I'm Zoe. In this particular video, I'm planning to explain something about binary number and decimal number. And what is difference, what is basis, or how can you convert a decimal number to binary and a binary number to decimal. Okay? What is the decimal number? You know, decimal is based of 10, as we calculate with fingers, this 10. Decimal is base of 10, deci means 10. Base is 10. For example, if we have 5,341, how can we write this? This is base of 10, yes? How can we write this? This is decimal, base of 10. We can say that 1 means 1 times 10 to raised to 0 because 10 raised to 0 is 1. Okay, how about 4? 4 is tens. Is 4 times 10 raised to 1. How about 3? 3 is 3 times 10 raised to 2, 300. And 5 is as well 5 times 10 to the 3. Yes? This raise here is the place of 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the second, 10 to the third power. Yes? This is decimal that we every day use with any calculator we have. But how about the binary? Binary is just, suppose we have just two finger, one finger here and one finger here. And we have 10 fingers and we have 10 digits. 1 to 9 and plus 0, 10 digits. When you have binary, you have just 2 digits, 1 and 0. Yes? Okay. Here we know that this is the first one is 10 to the 0, 10 to the 1, 10 to the second, 10 to the third, and so on. Here too, any binary number we can write, the first place is 2, based of 2. 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the second, to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth, and so on. And when you know that on a computer we just calculate with this number. 0, 1, the language of electricity, yes? 0 and 1, on and off. Okay, 85 based of 10 is what number? A binary number. We want to write this number 85 as a 101010. How can we do this? The easiest way is this one. If you know this, 2 to the 0 gets 1. 2 to 1 gets 2. To the second, 4 to the third, 8 to the fourth, 16 to the fifth, 32 to the sixth, 64 to the seventh, 128. This 8 one is very important, and I'm coming back next time and talk about something about networking and this one. But this time is just we convert this from decimal to binary, binary to decimal. Okay, what is 85 is 10, like this one, decimal to this number. The best way is this one, simplest way. You can say 85. Okay, 85 is less than this, less than 128, but bigger than 64. Okay, we can say 85, this is 64 here, minus 64. How much is going to be? 121. Yes? So we have one of these 64. 1. Yes? Okay. 21. 21 is not divisible by 32. So, but divisible by 16. Okay, good. Subtract 1/16 of this one, that's 5. Right? So 16 we had. 5 is less than 8. We don't have any 8. 8, I mean this one. Okay, how about 4? We have 4. Okay, subtract is 1. 1, we don't have any 2, it's not enough. 0, and this is 1. In this number, this is -1 is 0. Okay, 85 in 10, base of 10, decimal, is equal to what? 101001. 101001. Right, in binary number. Right? Because 85, in 85, this is the best way, I think. 85 is less than this one, okay, but 64, subtract 164, we have 64. 21 is not enough for this one. Go to next one. 16, we have 1. 5, we don't have any to the third. We have this one, not this one, and this one. How can we come back from here to here? We can say 1 is here. 1 times 2 to the 0 is 1. 0, we don't have 0 is 0. 1 times 2 to the second gets 4. 0. 1 times 2 to the fourth gets 16. This is a 0. 1 times 2 to the sixth is 64. How much is gonna be? This is 20. This is 65. This is 85. Good? Hope you like this one. Oh, how about 310? 310 is just, if you're with me. Okay, how about 310? 310 is more than 256, yes? This one to the 9, 2 raised to 9 is 256 times 2. 512. Okay, this is 512. To the 9 is 512. But this is less than 512. We go to next one. To the 8 is 256. Okay, minus 256, we have one of this. Sorry, I should remove everything from here. It was, okay, 1, 2 something. 6 of 10 is, from 10 is 4. 6 of 11, 5, 54, yes? We had one of this one, 256. 54. 54 is not divisible by, this is less than 128. 64. 32. 22. Right? We had 32. Next one is this 16. We have 16. 6. So 6 is less than 8. We don't have this one. 6 is good for 4. 1, 4. This is 2. 2 is good. 2, 0. We don't have any of this. Right? This is the easiest way. Okay, so we can say that 310 base, decimal base of 10, 310 base of 10 is 10011010 based of 2 binary number. How can we check this one? Okay, from here. 0 is, here is 0, plus 1 is this one, is 2. This one is 4, 0, 8, 16 and 32. 16 plus 32 plus this one, 256. Okay, how much is gonna be? The 256 plus 20 plus 34 300 base of 10. Right. Good. Okay, we could do that. 85 base of 10, decimal, and we found this one. This is binary number of this. Okay, how about this one? I did this here, but we can practice more. Now we have a binary number. 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, just use this table. This table is the safest table. Okay, 0 1 0 0 1. Yes. Okay, how much is this? This 0, this 2 to the 0 is 0, okay? We don't have anything. Here is 0. 1 of 2, this is 2, 1 of 2. Okay, 0 plus 1 times 2, 0 times 4 plus 0 times 8 plus 1 times 16. How much is going to be? 1 times this 2 plus this is 0 is 16. 2 plus 16, 18, right? 18 is 10. Can we check this one? Yes, we can check it. How can we do this? 18 is less than 32, but 16 is good. 2 less than this one, we don't have it, we have this one, we don't have it, right? We could find any binary number from decimal, and we had a binary and we found decimal. Okay, the decimal here is 18, actually 18. Hope you like this one. If you like it, you can write on comment. When I see that you are very just eager to know more, I come back and explain more about binary and decimal. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it to other people. You're another student. Thanks. Bye-bye.